right, in an attempt to clean up this mess of a garden, we are going to harvest what we did get this year with the help of my son. My always excited to help me 9-year-old. And Miss Thing over here.
Miss walking around everywhere.
So listen, grab this basket and go help Blake pull green beans. We have lots of green beans.
Where?
From there. So listen, don't just pull them off because the vines will snap. Emma, there's plenty.
Oh, female.
It's a male, silly.
Female.
The female has the squash on it. So if you only see the flower, then it's just the male flower.
Well, with the split?
See, look, I'll show you right here. Look, see? Is there a squash on this?
Yeah.
No squash, just the flower. But if you come back here and look at this one, look, does that have a squash on it?
Yeah.
That's a female flower.
Where that fell right here?
See this? See this guy right here?
Yeah.
There's a flower and the squash is under it. See the baby squash? That means it's a female.
Female.
So the female has to have the vegetable on it or the fruit. All right, Emma, look, let's get in here. You just lift these up. Look, there's green beans. And you can pick them down here. Look, there's tons of them down here. Wow. Look at this. Tons. These might be overripe. Let's wash them first. Here, go ahead and get them. Pick them off and you can put them right in that basket. Don't pull them. Make sure you use your other hand. Don't just yank it. There you go. Pull one. There you go.
I'm watching the reality show in real time.
There you go. Everyone keeps wanting to know when my husband's going to make an appearance.
You pick them, you eat them, right, Emmylou? Hi, everybody. Yes, I'm not as geeky as I sound. Sorry, ladies.
He's my Bruce Willis lookalike.
I'm a Jason Statham stunt double. You know what I mean? Or that's what the ladies say. What's up?
Little ladies. Anyway, we're cleaning the garden up.
It's good.
We're kind of getting...
What are we eating for dinner tonight?
Well, my dad dropped us off filet mignons for our anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
You can cook me a steak dinner.
I'm gonna. And we're picking some green beans. We got some tomatoes.
Hey, can we have green beans for dinner too?
We can. We're gonna pick these. We'll probably steam these. And I'll throw some steak on the grill.
It's funny, they're so dirty, and then when you see them, you're actually eating them.
I know.
And they're clean. It's surprising.
You think, what's surprising is how dirty you get and how clean you get after a day outside.
Okay, then.
Go ahead, lift up those leaves. There's lots underneath. And look, I see a cucumber hanging out over there.
Where?
Right there. We'll have that too. Don't yank it though. Make sure you pull it from the vine nicely.
I always have to spin it.
Yep, you can twist them. That works. Oh dear. What do you have? Scissors! No.
Got it!
That's why 5-year-olds don't have scissors. Got it. Beautiful. I think we're going to have that for dinner too. You ready? Good. Ooh, that's a little prickly.
Oh my god.
It's a little prickly one.
I can feel it through my...
I know. All right, lift up. I see tons of green beans, and we need a lot more than this for dinner. Emma, get under there. Look. Look. Beautiful. Green beans. Grab them. 1, 2. Why is there marker all over your hand? What possessed you? Yeah, don't do that because then you pull off the entire vine. So take all those green beans off and then put them in the basket.
Dad, come pick
She'll
some.
be coming home with a tattoo when she's 15.
Hey, I tell you, number 10. I don't know what's up with number 10, but
So
apparently...
is this what guiding green thumbs is all about? Are these the future green thumbers or what?
You know what? I think my kids are going to have a pretty good base on growing their own food and flowers and bees and nature.
That can be your new post. Like
Is there anything besides a green thumb? Like if you don't feel like gardening, can another thumb be green or another finger, I should say?
Mom,
You don't want to know what finger I want to give you.
Yeah, exactly.
It wouldn't be green. I've given it to you a few times.
Yeah, a green finger.
Oh dear. And this is what happens when you have kids that play in the garden. But look it, I have kohlrabi started. You see
So
these
would
little
those
guys?
beans grow if she actually did plant them and
Well,
put them in there?
the thing is, I think these are so overripe that the beans are inside. So let's see what this looks like. You could pop them open and see if the beans are ready. You'd have to dry them. Can I do this with one hand? I mean, I'm talented, but I'm not that talented. So there, look. Right there. There's the bean. And if you dry them, you can save them. And you can replant them for next year.
Can you eat it raw?
Huh?
Can you eat it raw?
Yeah, you want it?
No, not after you.
It's actually, raw veggies are better. Oh, so I wanted to show you too, look. So my beets are coming up. I planted beets. I have to thin them out now. They're up. See them in rows.
Oh, wow. Can't wait to have the
Arugula.
beets on bread.
Wait, show this to the audience. 3 big ones.
Good. Yes.
And this was on one vine. 3
Oh
of
my
them.
gosh.
One vine.
How
think
is
the
it?
audience is going to have to take a Dramamine.
Yes, now you know why
This
sometimes...
is gonna make them hungry.
Oh my God. Sometimes we get a lot done and sometimes we don't get a lot done. And I'll give you 2 reasons why.
Emma.
Wow. How is it? A little
eating
past
it
peak.
dirty.
You know
So
what? A
you're
little
happy
dirt's
with the
not going to
garden
hurt anybody.
overall, or what?
What?
You happy with the garden overall?
No, but I'm getting harvest. I'm getting stuff now that, you know,
I think the raised beds kind of redeemed themselves.
well, mixing the potting mix in redeemed itself. But look, so I planted peas. See the peas?
Yeah, they sprouted. I think we did a video
Because the
about...
best time to harvest peas is in the fall when the weather turns. So August is the first perfect time to plant peas.
3 years ago. No, not 3. 3 weeks or 4. We did a video of planting them, and I think we did radishes.
Yes, actually, those are radishes. You're right, Blake.
I remember there were radishes.
Yes. So these are like those French breakfast
Hey, and look at-
radishes.
It's one sprout right there.
So these types of vegetables, we eat the root underground.
Wait, we eat the
The
root?
root, just like a carrot. And do we have carrots? Yes, because check it out.
Sprouts.
Cosmic purple carrots. And I planted these August 7th. It is now August 18th, so 11 days. This is 11 days it took to get to this size. And these have to be thinned. I literally just dumped the seeds in there.
And another 17 would be this high. Another 17.
Yeah, hopefully we have...
medium, And then next 17 days, so that's basically 4, 3, 17s.
Oh my God.
Done.
We'll have to simplify that math a little. Anyway, look at our tomato flowers are getting pollinated. See the bee? Yep. Look at, oh, there's another one. There he goes. There he goes. So we got some other stuff. But anyway, so that's that. We got some watermelons. Oh God, that is just an accident waiting to
Only
happen.
when you're filming.
Oh my Lord.
Emma wants a shoulder view.
Oh my God.
Of the whole garden.
What do you see up there? Oh, did we tell you too? Look at this. The parsley has a guest.
And what is the guest? Oh, a caterpillar?
Yeah,
Isn't he a little late?
He is a little late, but
What,
you know what?
Oversleep or something?
I don't know. We might have room for one more round of caterpillars before they go to host, but
When do they usually get out of here?
well, they don't. These guys. I don't know about that one. That one may fly around for a little bit, but the next generation is going to overwinter in a chrysalis somewhere. And I don't see any on this
We
patch.
might not even have another generation. You never know.
It's true. I hope he's not the only one left. But anyway, so yeah, so then we got some squash. I got to clean this up.
Oh my God.
Hi.
That's
I got more carrots over here.
Mom.
And I guess more cucumbers. What a mess. Seriously, I am embarrassed. This garden has gone to absolute disaster. I have to clean up this, squash leaves. But anyway.
Mom.
And of course I planted basil. And it's all sprouting, so I'll have a nice little harvest of basil.
There's something growing inside the birdhouse.
I know. The grapevines are like creeping. Did you see the grapes? Give Daddy a grape. We have a whole little cluster back here that we've been trying.
Small. Oh. Everyone take one. There's 4 of them.
Okay, perfect.
Everyone take one.
Hold on to it.
Trying to get one.
All right.
Go ahead, Emma.
And then Daddy.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Wait, Emma.
I'll wait 2 minutes
ahead.
after you guys.
All right, go ahead. We already ate them.
That's
A little
great.
sour.
Wow. That's good.
I might have picked them a little too early because they were kind of sour.
A little sour.
Me
Ew.
and
It's
Dad,
like
it was
chewing
sour.
tobacco. You got to spit the thing out after you eat it.
Actually, the first ones we had were sweet. Must have been. It must have been a
Lucky.
Yeah, you must have picked the wrong ones. Well, you got to pick the dark ones. See the lighter
Let's do it.
greens.
Let's do it. Let's see if
All right,
those are
right
pretty.
here.
Cleaning out the garden.
Look it right back here, Blake. Way back there. There's some really dark
Oh,
ones.
You did get some grapes.
Yes.
Maybe you can throw some in a bucket
Oh,
and
now
step
he's
on them later.
now he's impressed.
Well, we'll get a
Go on,
couple
Blake.
shot glasses of wine out of it by the looks of it.
I don't know. Maybe.
I
they're-
know.
Oh,
Wait, is
Go ahead.
that how you make wine?
yes. Wine is made from grapes.
Now, would
Wow, I'm eating wine.
would you
Come on.
actually make wine with those type of grapes or no?
I don't think it'd be very good.
No, it'd be a little bitter. Most wine is though.
No, it'd be really sweet. I think.
Go.
No, I don't believe
Let's
so.
go.
Stop whining.
You're gonna have one that's actually dark red and sweet.
Oh,
You
oh, come on.
ready?
I'm not a guinea pig.
No, those are not dark, Blake. Fail. Let me do it. I guess if you want something done, I said to get the dark ones. Now those are gonna be ruined because
As my father always used to say, if you want something done right, you better get somebody else to do it.
1,
So, that's
Two.
why I always tell your mom to do stuff for you.
3,
Is that why you never kick?
There's stuff over there.
4.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, Mom, I can get
Five.
those grapes from here.
No, we're good. I have a bunch right here. We're gonna try these up.
And these are big.
All right. You ready? Come here, Blake. No, leave them. Leave them because I want to keep some for
Oh, my
later.
goodness.
But they're big.
Do you even know what you're filming now? You're just like
Look at it.
cameras all over the place.
This is
Well, here,
huge.
have
What
at
do you
it.
want me? I got a kid on my shoulder.
All right, then don't complain.
Well,
Mom.
what are you doing? Here.
They're good.
We're having a grape testing day here at the garden.
That was
Better.
that was sweet. Was that one sweet?
It's like beech nut. Brings me back to the days of
Mom.
chewing beech nut tobacco.
Oh my God, it's so good.
The ones over there, the big one I picked was green and red. It was sour.
Was it?
The one that you gave me was so sweet.
Yes,
It-
because I'm
it
picking
didn't
the
even-
dark ones.
It didn't even tingle.
It didn't even-
Anything.
it didn't make-
It just went down my throat.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yeah.
Well, that
So
was awesome. Kind of wrecked my appetite for steak. I'm full. Those 3 grapes really
well,
hit
good
the spot.
because the kids and I have a feast ahead of us, and I don't mind down in the.
Does that count
Good piece
as
of
me
meat.
eating vegetables and fruit for the night? I can just eat meat, right?
Sure, whatever you want.
Good, we're done.
Do we have any tromboncinis?
Let them eat steak.
Oh, by the way, look this. Look at this.
Oh my God.
You know what those are, Bri?
Tromboncini.
Those
No.
they start with an E.
Edamame.
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 Oh my God.
Mommy.
Hard to hear when I got a kid whacking me in the side of the head.
Well, don't you know it's called edamame?
I don't really pay attention
Apparently,
to
you don't pay attention to much.
vegetable names.
Yeah,
'Cause
but
I
you
don't
eat
really eat them that often.
You've eaten edamame 1,000 times.
Yes.
All right, well, it's time to go make some dinner. Let's grab our basket of veggies, Blake.
Yeah, these kids are literally a pain in my back today. Get off it. Bye.
Later.